Hi everybody, Daryl here doing another Riddler 99 box break. This time I'm doing a box of 2011-2012 Upper Deck The Cup. I didn't get around to updating the serial number of this one. This is box 2 of 6 from a sealed case. They'd all caught bids by the time I'd opened up the sealed case yesterday. So this one, as I read off, after opening the first box, the serial number was to be 189451437. So that's the box I have right here. So that's ending in 437. This auction ended last night. It's January 9th between 9:30 and 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You see, I pulled up Toronto. It's one of the last teams. Ended at 9:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Time now is 7:35 a.m. on January the 10th Eastern Standard Time. You can see I did not have a chance to update, so I had to be determined still. And here's the box. So as I read off, the serial number was 189451437. That's the serial numbers I read off yesterday in my other video when I opened the case originally. There you go. 189451437. If you go to full screen on YouTube, 1080p, let it load up, you should see that, no problem. Okay guys, so it's a sealed tin of the cup. I'm just going to let the autofocus kick back in. And let's get going. For anybody who's taking part in a few of my auctions, I did a mail run yesterday, and I'm going to be doing another one on Friday before all the postage rates go out. So they're all going up starting Monday. I can't open the box. How many bracelets I can't open up the tin of the cup. There we go. Just leave it tight. That's all. Fire this out for a second. Okay. Seal pack. Let's see what we got. That does not want to go. Okay, everybody, good luck. First card for the Chicago Blackhawks, Tony Esposito, base card out of 249. Second card for the Edmonton Oilers, also out of 249. Colton Tubert. Next card, also for the Edmonton Oilers, limited logos of Jordan Eberle, Team Canada. Next card for the Montreal Canadiens, Stanley Cup signatures of Denis Savard out of 50, 14 out of 50. We have a rookie masterpieces for the Nashville Predators of Blake Geoffrion printing plate, 101 printing plate. They are marked 101 on the back. And last but not least, we have a for the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. It's interesting tin of the cup. Two teams got two cards. So again, I want to thank everybody who took part in the break. I'm going to have box 3 going tonight on eBay. Still no case 8 yet. Alright guys, have a great day.